No, big up on yourselves, guys. Big up on yourselves once more. In another episode of Bars Beats. We'll do some of the maddest reviews them around here. Now, you see, today in the program, I decode a song from this brother from out of Ghana. And he called Ras Niio. Hey, let me tell you something, man. You can't spell any name away, brother. Well, me don't know if I have it right, but it's like a Niio or Niio. And his song is called Badmind. So you know, people, this is a man from out of Ghana, you know. And you know what I really love for happen is the Ghana people give man some strength and some support in his song. Right? So, you what now, no? I go and run it. But before me run it, I want to know, say, if you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, I want the latest videos that will drop. You know what? Notification bell. And as me say, is a brother this from out of the country. Ghana, from in Africa. Let me hear what you say about Badmind. So if you uphold the Badmind and you fight against the Badmind, go through Rassi.
One from the teams. You know what?
So man, I hold up some flag there right there. So you see America flag. Me don't know that flag, yeah. Me don't know. This look close to Nigeria flag still. Me not see it. And this a Ghana flag, but I with the Rasta man them. So go on still.
Can't pull the trigger and kill a brother man when me know say that not go right. Can't pull the trigger and kill a string when me know say that not go right. Tell me if you do so, fear another soul. When me know say me have to love myself like me love me brother man.
Okay, so I'm saying,
hey, yeah.
Hold on, man. Hold on, Ras. Give me a chance, yeah. So I'm saying, can't pull the trigger for your brother, and him know say it not right. Real talk that still. When me see when you have so him have on the Rasta, we say the Ghana color in a marina. We used to love them shirt. I mean, young guy, you know, man. Yeah, and this are the Africa chain. You have some nice piece of chain pan him. So you know, say so Africa full of whole heap of jewel, you know. Whole heap of jewel, you know, full jewel, some real jewel. Anyway, go on, Ras.
Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Hey, yeah. Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Once more.
Hold on. So the beat you know, and the rhythm, yeah, it's a mix between the ska and reggae. Because you know, ska is before reggae, and reggae come take over the whole thing, and then dancehall follow. So it's a mixture between ska and reggae. I hit him a deal with that now, so I'm bunny that dirty Badman. Go on.
Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Again and again. Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Hey, yeah. I'm a fireman. Bun Badmind. Bun bad, leave it to your dad. We not bring the nation and down with your dad. We not one. We love true love. We have to bring for the youth. For the youth, them feel no say. And that them have to do. Show love, enough love, unconditionally. We say, love your brethren like thyself. Hey, yeah. Love your sister like thyself. Hey, yeah.
So you don't know already. Where must say a straight positivity. When I say you say reggae music. Reggae music is a conscious set of music. You don't find reggae music in much of like in a corruption or badness or gangster style. It is always conscious music. So what I do in the reggae thing is basically I follow the path of reggae, which is singing about consciousness. And Badmind, for people who don't know, is basically red-eye people. Well, me not say red-eye, because it's a slang that again. Covetous people. People who have enviousness in them. They don't want to see us strive. So that's what Badmind is in a nutshell for we. Alright? Let us go.
Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Hey, yeah. Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Once more. Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Again and again. Ready, make we bundle the Badmind. Hey, yeah. Real life, we are free Badmind, we are born.
Alright, hold on. Maybe see this too much time. Hold on.
Real life,
no,
we are free Badmind, we are born.
Stop it there, so. Alright, what me see here, so, is the flags them. So, me not sure if basically the flag here is for sure, say, America corrupt, they are embracing America. I'm not sure because this a Ghana color with something in it. So they might have, you can't say them are born Ghana. This look like Nigeria. I mean, I can't say the flag 100% good for no. Me don't know what that is, and it's America. So is that them embracing America or they are rebelling? Because remember, he said it's Badmind to talk about. So a flag in the back is, I don't know if it's solidarity the flag is for or against. We don't know. But maybe somebody in the comment section I got tell you. So you wanna go through.
We kill them from a distance. And we don't power with dirty bad mind. I laugh when you see them apart. Me ready, you know ready. Now me Gideon boots, now me khaki suit.
Boy! Yo, you just start sing, brother. Hold on, man. And there's something I wait for you now. Hold on, go on.
Gideon boots, now me khaki suit. Me ready, you know ready.
You know ready? Tell me if you're not ready, you know, because this man I got shell on you ready right just so you know. Hold on, go on now.
Ready. Now me Gideon boots, now me khaki suit. In a me khaki suit, which and down bad mind in a different style. Remember what goes around, I go still come around. So love your brother, never try fool a man. Unity, keep you strong, division bring you down. So I don't kill a man for your chicken, and I don't kill a man for your sea. If you no love, real love, enough for listen. Hear what me say. Ready, make we bond out the bad mind. Hey yeah. Ready, make we bond out the bad mind. Once more. Ready, make we bond out the bad mind. Again and again. Ready, make we bond out the bad mind. Hey yeah.
All right. Here what the song done, and I would love to know where the video was shot, but it's important to. It is important. Hold on, make we run it and talk. When we talk to the people, them while the song a decode. All right. So it is. Let me see. Kobe, hold on. It look like it did, man. Hold on a little bit. Make we go back. Okay. So shot and directed by. Okay. Kobe imagery, but we not see which part of the video was shot. No, me always say it is sort of important or it's good when the people them tell where the video was shot. So in case a person want do a video of the same place at some point in time, they can go. You know, in case they say the place look good or them say the place look bad. You know, them. I like the place because you saw it look like a fishing village in Ghana. Me not sure what. But people in the comment section let me know here, sir, because you know, if you highlight on a place. And as I said before, you know, you don't know already. You might talk positivity. And me like certain aspect of the song where, especially the part where mix, the only thing when he mix in the song, when me I say ready, he should have do more lyrics and it jumps till a beat I go away and catch me in the vibes, because that's what me I say, when the song's a beat now, that is where me I say, yes, this I go hold the crowd in, the beating part of the drum. But him do about 2 or 3 bars and then him just go back to the singing part. No problem with that still. The message is clear, and me always like the clear message of this song rather than the corrupt message. Now, as me say, this gentleman is out of Ghana. Me not sure exactly which part of Ghana, but it no matter. Me want the shatter movement and give that man some strength. Go over in page, press up some subscription and make the man get some strength and some crowd. Because the man a do him thing, and me like it. And me review some, me check some more of him songs them on him channel, and me I say, it has enough. But me a good do that one for the test run for now, and me want to give him some strength. As usual, people, big up on yourselves. Let me know what you think about this song. Put in the comments there, don't be afraid. Because you know, the man need to know where I do right from where I do wrong, as usual. So, this is my take, and this is Decode from Bars Beats. I'm going to say what? Have that!